Hello everyone, this is Jageshwar Kumar. I am having 1.5 years of industrial experience and 3 years of teaching experience. Right now I am working in a multinational company and my domain is big data. Okay, so thought of sharing my knowledge to all of you guys. I have trained lots of students in different programming languages, but this time I am going to start MySQL training where I will teach you MySQL from basic to advanced. Okay. I'll give you industry level hands-on as well so that you guys can understand and enhance your knowledge in a good way. Okay. And I'll take your online quizzes as well so that you guys can understand where exactly you are in MySQL learning phase. Okay, because without exams and without hands-on, you will never learn anything. Okay, so I'm going to follow this approach actually in this training. My all classes are based on the hands-on activity. But again, theory also having the same importance. You guys should know the theory, then only you can write the queries, right? So what's my plan here is, I'm going to elaborate theory first and then immediately I'll show you the live demo, okay, with lots of examples for that particular concepts. Okay, even I'll execute all the queries in front of you in the command prompt so that you guys can see and understand the syntaxes of the MySQL. Okay, actually I have divided this course into two parts. Okay, this is the MySQL course and I am divided into the two parts. First part, I will teach you about the database. Okay, lots of students might know about the database. So what we are going to learn here is component of database. Okay, and then I'll teach you about the ER model. Okay, then relational model, then normalization. Okay, so this is the topics. Inside these topics we are having lots of subtopics. Okay, so don't worry, like only 4 topics I'm going to cover. No, inside all, take it as a chapter. Okay, so inside all chapters we are having lots of things to learn. Okay, this is my first phase. Actually you should learn the database, and then in the second phase obviously it will be the SQL things. So I am going to teach you the MySQL concept here. So what I'm going to teach you is, so just in high level I'm saying, but I'll elaborate more. I'll teach you the DDL command, DML command, okay, TCL command, DCL command. Okay, all these are the fundamental of SQL actually. Everywhere you will see and everywhere you will learn all these fundamental things. Okay, there is nothing new to learn here. Okay, so what I will do here is, I'll explain the DDL, then I'll show you the examples, and then I'll give you the hands-on so that you can also practice by your own. Okay, because just seeing the videos and learning from the teacher doesn't make any sense. You have to practice it by your own. Okay, so I'll try to follow this kind of approach where I'll give you the study material as much as I can do. Okay, and you just have to showcase your interest. Okay, in this way we can finish this course in a very perfect way, and you will definitely learn something new from these courses. Okay, and then what I'm going to teach you here is advanced SQL thing. Okay, and what will be there? Okay, here we will learn lots of things like constraints. Okay, constraints, functions, very important, joins. Okay, views, alias. Okay, order by, sorting. Okay, lots of things we are going to learn in the advanced SQL. And one more thing here is, in this advanced SQL part I am going to give you the industrial level hands-on. Okay, so that you can enhance your knowledge and you can check your knowledge. Whatever I taught you, from there only you can solve all those questions actually. Okay, so I'm going to give you in this kind of questions. Okay, and end of the course what I'm going to do is, I'll share my industrial experience as well with you all. Okay, definitely if you are learning MySQL and any programming language, then your ultimate goal is to join the IT company. So I'll give the atmosphere of the IT, how actually IT works, how actually we get placed in the IT, and how we can survive there, which technique we have to use to survive in the IT, how we can improve our performance, and all the silly things and all the important things I'm going to share in this training. So definitely it will be very interesting course. So okay, so please join this session as soon as possible, because in this month only I'm going to start this training. If you have any concern related to this course, feel free to reach out to me through my Instagram or WhatsApp. I'm going to give my Instagram and WhatsApp details in the description box. Okay, I'll give you the atmosphere where you can freely ask me all the questions, all your doubts. Okay, it will be really helpful for you guys if you enroll this course. So this is from my side actually, guys, for the MySQL online training. Now it's up to you. If you are really interested, if you want to learn the MySQL, do enroll and ping me on Instagram or WhatsApp for the further details. Thank you. Bye bye.